Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best toilet brush is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a sparkling clean and hygienic bathroom, and today we're diving deep into what makes a toilet brush truly stand out from the rest, ensuring your cleaning routine is not just effective but also efficient and, dare I say, even a little bit pleasant, as we explore the features that contribute to a pristine porcelain throne. Number 5. Clorox ToiletWand Disposable Cleaning System. Introducing the Clorox ToiletWand Disposable Cleaning System. It's designed for a truly effortless and hygienic way to keep your toilet sparkling clean. This all-in-one system includes everything you need. You get the toilet wand, a convenient storage caddy, and 16 disinfecting scrubbing pad refills. Each scrubbing pad is preloaded with powerful disinfecting cleaner. It effectively eliminates germs and grime with every use. Forget messy brushes. Our disposable pads ensure a hygienic clean every time. Simply use and toss for ultimate convenience. Make your spring cleaning a breeze with this essential tool. It tackles tough stains and leaves your toilet fresh and sanitary. The included storage caddy keeps everything neat and accessible. It holds the wand and refills, ready for your next cleaning task. What we like? This system offers a truly disposable cleaning experience. The built-in cleaner on each pad means you don't need separate chemicals. If you prioritize ultimate hygiene and convenience, and dislike the idea of reusing a brush, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The brush is made of durable material and effectively cleans the toilet bowl. The holder is designed to keep the brush dry and prevent odors. It is easy to assemble and use, making cleaning more convenient. Number 4. BOOMJOY Toilet Brush and Holder Set, White. Elevate your bathroom decor with our toilet brush and holder set. Choose from a wide array of colors to effortlessly match your bathroom's design, adding a pop of style and functionality. Choose between our silicone brush, perfect for cleaning rims without harming enamel, and our classic brush, ideal for tackling stubborn stains. Select the ultimate brush for your cleaning needs. We've upgraded the handle to aluminum, ensuring both aesthetics and durability. Say goodbye to worries about rust. Our aluminum handle guarantees a sleek, rust-free appearance. Our toilet bowl cleaner brush handle features a hidden tweezer for tasks like clearing drain hair or retrieving small items. This exclusive design adds extra utility. With a 16-inch handle, our toilet scrubber brush easily reaches rims, crevices, and pipes. This design minimizes the risk of splashes, keeping you clean throughout use. What we like? This offers versatility with 2 brush head options and a rust-proof aluminum handle. The unique built-in tweezers are a game-changer for small bathroom tasks. If you appreciate stylish design, durability, and a clever hidden feature for everyday convenience, this is the one to consider. What people say. BOOMJOY silicone toilet brush sets have stayed clean, effective, and rust-free, and they avoid the gross toilet brush soup problem better than any traditional brush. This silicone brush cleans effectively, then dries easily, and there is no pooling in the holder. It is a small detail that makes a huge difference in day-to-day grossness. The rubber bristles are easy to clean and feels a lot more hygienic. Good product. Number 3. Eyliden 2-in-1 Toilet Plunger and Brush Set. Introducing the Eyliden 2-in-1 Toilet Plunger and Brush Set. This all-in-one cleaning tool is designed to keep your bathroom spotless with ease. Its compact design offers discreet storage, tucking neatly beside your toilet. This ensures your floors stay clean and dry while saving valuable bathroom space. The plunger features a high-quality TPR suction cup that creates a tight seal. It provides maximum power to clear even the toughest clogs in toilets, showers, and sinks. The sturdy bristled brush with its classic hemispherical head easily reaches every corner. It ensures a deep clean under the rim and in hard-to-reach areas. Both the plunger and brush are designed to clean effectively without scratching your toilet bowl. Their sleek design seamlessly integrates into any bathroom decor. Constructed with shatter-resistant plastic and durable nylon bristles, this set is built to last. It's stain and odor resistant, ensuring your bathroom stays clean and fresh. What we like? This is the ultimate space-saving solution, combining a plunger and brush in one neat holder. The efficient TPR plunger is designed for tough clogs. If you have limited bathroom space or want a reliable tool for both cleaning and emergencies, this combo is an excellent value. What people say. The bristles are stiff and great at cleaning. The bonus is that the handle is long enough and strong enough to do some serious cleaning. It works just like it should, and I like the concept. Very convenient way to use and store your toilet cleaning items. Very well made. Number 2. AirU Plus Disposable Toilet Brush Cleaning System. Meet the revolutionary AirU Plus Disposable Toilet Brush System. It's designed to make your toilet cleaning routine simpler and more effective than ever before. This all-in-one kit provides a powerful cleaning solution for your toilet bowls. The disposable wands ensure a hygienic clean every time. Get started right away with everything you need. The starter kit includes the ToiletWand, a convenient storage caddy, and a fragrant tablet for a fresh scent. Never run out of cleaning power with the included 24 refill wands. This ensures long-lasting cleanliness for your bathroom. Enjoy a truly clean and fresh-smelling bathroom. The system is designed for maximum hygiene and leaves a pleasant fragrance after each use. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a sparkling clean toilet. The AirU Plus system makes maintenance effortless. What we like. This system provides a fresh clean with every use thanks to disposable wand refills. It also includes a fragrant tablet for added freshness in your bathroom. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and odor-controlling toilet cleaning solution, this is a great option. What people say. The fact that each cleaning head is single-use makes everything more hygienic. It cleans surprisingly well, especially around the edges where regular brushes struggle. I also love that there's no need to store a dirty brush. You simply scrub, detach, and throw it away. It keeps the bathroom smelling fresh and looking cleaner. This toilet brush is so much better than regular ones. It makes cleaning much faster, and I love that it's disposable and lightweight, no more scrubbing or washing the brush afterward. Number 1. ASOBEAGE Deep Cleaner Toilet Brush. Introducing our innovative toilet brush, designed with a TPE silicone head. It effectively cleans without scratching your toilet, ensuring a perfect clean every time. This set features a breathable holder that promotes quick drying. It keeps the base clean and hygienic, preventing odor buildup. Experience efficient cleaning with its flexible bristles. It reaches every corner, including under the rim, for a residue-free shine. Its professional, ergonomic design allows for powerful 360 degrees cleaning. You can easily reach difficult spots for immaculate results. Choose how you store it. Mount it on the wall without drilling to save space, or simply place it on the floor. Its compact design fits any bathroom. What we like. This brush features a durable silicone head that won't scratch your toilet and a holder designed for quick drying. The ability to wall mount it saves floor space and enhances hygiene. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-clean brush that keeps your bathroom tidy and modern, this is an ideal pick. What people say. Not only is the design sleek and minimalistic, but it works so well. I love that they are silicone bristles instead of a true brush where things can get trapped in there. The tip can bend and get under the rim of the toilet bowl and scrub all the hard water stains. It was amazing. The item arrived today, and though the packaging was a tad unkempt but taped well, the items inside were in pristine condition. This brush dealt with that in a matter of seconds. I flushed everything out to reveal a nice clean bowl, and rinsed the brush in the clean water, which fell off the silicone with a tap or two against the side of the bowl. 2 adhesive wall mounting tabs came in the package, and have a firm hold on the side of my toilet, where the holder neatly slides over the tab and stays in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.